Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport. Got this Porsche Cayenne that got towed in, doesn't start properly, can't select the gears here, nothing was working. Sometimes you can start it up, sometimes you cannot start it. And he said there was a water leak as well, so let's go back, let's have a look underneath here somewhere. Okay, so I already resealed this firewall here last time, and you can see, touch it, it's nice and dry up here. That's common on Cayenne, so make sure you reseal that if you have an old Cayenne 955, 957. Just put some elastic there all the way around to there on the top as well, and go as high as you can to the top as well. Anyway, let's go back to the water leak. Took this off. This is the drain. Go inside and double check that part of the drain here, this part here. That part is fine. We're still gonna try to unblock it. I don't think it's quick enough, the water's flowing down there. But this car was all wet because I had to park it outside to do a water test. Here you can see it's wet, carpet's wet. So it's not coming from there. It's not coming from that part here. And we took all this off here so I can look at it properly, and let's have a look. You're gonna be, see the hose there? The hose is not even connected. See that hose? It's not even connected to the roof drain. So maybe you can see it from the other side. No, you can't. But there you go, it's not connected at all. Let me just zoom in first so you can actually see it more. There you go, there's the hose there. It's not connected. You can see the drain hole on the side, on the left hand side. There you go. It's not even connected, causing this problem. Someone have done some work before, I don't know, but they didn't connect it. So now we're going to get the key and start up the car to show I already done the bypass wiring and fix all that stuff. So I'm going to start the car up now to show you that the car is fixed. Alright, let's go back in here. Start up, the car came in like this, and you cannot select the gears from park. Our customer had to actually flick the little red lever there, which is, if you get stuck on the Cayenne, you just got to flick it like that. Watch my hand, flick, and then you can take this out of park. So now it's locked, so now I'm going to get the key, put in ignition, straight away car starts, and you can select gears without touching the little red lever. Reverse, neutral, D. Everything works. Very painful sometimes trying to find electronic problems, but sometimes you just gotta actually check one at a time, one by one, until you find the problem. You can't guess. Guessing is the worst thing you can do in this industry. So sometimes it takes longer to actually find the problem, but still cheaper than throwing parts at it and then nothing's fixed the car. So that's why my whole workshop is full of cars. They got problems. But anyway, let's go back to here. We're gonna fix that up, double check it. We're gonna double check this side here as well. I'm pretty sure this side is fine because we've done the actual drain test. Water's coming straight out. It's only this side here. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.